So in the question set 15, this is the relationship part from the scenario we started talking since the 11th question for next mobile business. So in the 11th one we created the user table, in the 12th one we created customer and supplier tables, in the 13th one we created product, good received note and stock tables, and in the 14th one we created the invoice table. So in the 15th month they have asked us to create some relationships as given in the question. So let's do it. What is the database relationship between supplier table and the good received note table? Supplier table. So first of all, I will tidy up this a bit. So they are asking what is the relationship between supplier and the good received note table. So a good received note basically means that when in this business, when the suppliers provide the business with the goods, they give us something similar to invoice. So that's given by the supplier. So that's called good received note. So a supplier can give multiple good received notes because when he supply goods for the first time, he will give one good received note. The next time another, next time another. So we can create one-to-one relationship between these. So there can be many good received notes by a single supplier. So this is the relationship. The next one there, what is the database relationship between the GR and good received note table and product table? In a good received note, there may be multiple products, but a single product cannot be in several good received notes. So there should be a one-to-one relationship. So I think I messed up. No, sorry. A product can be in multiple good received notes. See, let's take an example. A product like mobile phones. The product mobile phone can be in multiple good received notes because of different stocks. So multiple good received notes can be the product can be in multiple good received notes. So they are up to one-to-one relationship. The next one, what is the relationship between product table and the stock table? So a single in a stock there may have multiple products, but a single product cannot be in multiple stocks. So many products can be in a single. So it's a one-to-one relationship. So many products can be in a single stock. So I will take this. Now it's a bit clear. There is a one-to-one relationship between stock and product tables. So the next question is, what is the database relationship between product table and customer table? That's an interesting one. Product table and customer table. So if we take product table here and customer table here, the customer can have multiple products and the product can be sold to multiple customers. That means it has a many-to-many relationship. But if I create a many-to-many relationship between customer and product table, that will give an extra table to us like this. Customer has product. So this extra table can be called invoice. So it records the product sold and the customer who has taken. So it's basically the invoice. But we have already created invoice here. So we need to connect this customer and product table to the invoice. So we delete this table and we'll connect. So customer can have multiple invoices. In an invoice there will be multiple products. So we will get two one-to-many relationships between these three tables. So in the next question they ask, what is the database relationship between the product table and invoice, product table and invoice, and customer table and invoice. So we have already created it. It's both are one-to-many relationships. So in this ER diagram, I have the user table, customer table, product table. This is the invoice, product table, stock table, good receive note, and the supply table. So that's it for the whole Next Mobile scenario. Thank you.